Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS X6i, also known as the Canon EOS Rebel T4i or EOS 650D, bundled with the versatile EF 18 to 135mm IS STM lens. This international version comes without a warranty, but let's explore whether it's worth considering for your photography needs. The camera boasts an APS-C size sensor, delivering a commendable 18 megapixels of effective still resolution. This means you can capture detailed and vibrant images, suitable for a range of scenarios. The inclusion of the EF 18 to 135mm IS STM lens offers a 0.8x optical zoom, providing flexibility in framing your shots, whether you're zooming in for a close-up or capturing a sweeping landscape. In terms of performance, the camera offers a shutter speed range from 1/4000 to 30 seconds, allowing you to freeze fast-paced action or experiment with long exposure shots in varying lighting conditions. The DSLR form factor provides a comfortable and familiar feel, making it an ideal choice for those upgrading from entry-level models or entering the DSLR world for the first time. However, it's crucial to note that this international version comes without a warranty, so buyers should consider the potential implications and weigh them against the potential cost savings. Overall, the Canon EOS X6i with EF 18 to 135mm IS STM lens kit offers a compelling package for photography enthusiasts seeking a versatile and capable DSLR. Stay tuned for sample images and more insights into its real-world performance. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.